Did you have a fun day today?
Yeah.
Yeah. And how old are you now?
4.
4. Well, you can tell. See how big she looks? Wow. She's a big girl and a real pretty girl, too. Has a pretty smile, and she's so sweet. I love you, Jessica.
Love you too.
Karen and Jessica. And they're full of giggles tonight. And Karen is making some very strange faces. Oh no, they both are making some strange faces. Is this the way they normally look? What a sorry pair. Let me see nice pretty smiles now so people know what you look like normally. Oh, Jessica.
Come on! Whoa! This. You. Go, go, go! Yeah, good.
Gotta bounce that ball.